Hi, my name is Tori from Keystone Industries, and today I want to talk about the powerful and highly recommended US-made Machine 3. It has more power than any other vacuum former, which means it's producing more accurate and stable results. What once required a lab is now being completed in-house at a dentist's office thanks to this machine. To see how simple the vacuum forming process is with the Machine 3, keep watching. This is the material plate where the thermoplastic material is placed and then locked securely. The plate can easily be adjusted up and down. Once the material is secured, raise it and then bring the heating element to the front. From here, you will wait for the material to heat. You will know that it's ready when you see an 1.5 inch droop in the material and by checking to see if it's tacky. Once it's ready, turn on the vacuum, swivel the heating element, and bring the material down to suction. You can aid in the cooling process by using Keystone's InstaCool. And prior to removing the model, be sure that the material has cooled. It's that simple. To learn more about the Machine 3, instructions for its use, and how it adds value to your practice, visit KeystoneIndustries.com. Thanks for watching on this great day to be in the know.